Senior year of high school, in my psychology class, there was this poster on the wall. It read, "The purpose of psychology is to give us a completely different idea of the things we know best." And I think that is what first resonated with me and grew my fascination for psychology. Today, in my speech, I'll be talking about why I chose psychology as my major, and also my social issue of affordable healthcare in America. I chose psychology as my major purely off the fascination it gave me right away. I fell in love with the question, why? Why do people act the way they do? Why do people think the way they think? The human brain is so fascinating, and every brain is different than the next. Also, I love helping people. I love having those emotional and intellectual conversations and helping them in the best way I can. So when looking for a major, I thought, how can I help people with what I'm good at and what interests me? Psychology was the clear-cut choice. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do for a job with a psychology major, but I do know that I want to help people the best way I can in living a happier lifestyle. So you know why I chose psychology as my major. Let me tell you a little bit about my social issue of affordable healthcare in America. Healthcare is extremely expensive in America. Millions of people have to put their lives on hold when unexpected health issues happen, and they try to pay these hospital bills that are so expensive. Parents scrambling for money when their young child grows ill. Young adults with little money to their name trying to pay for those medications that they need. And also people with severe mental health issues that can barely afford the cost of these very expensive medications just to live their everyday life. America would be a lot happier if America was a lot healthier. And I think we could use a little bit of that right now. So in conclusion, you know the answer to the question why I chose psychology as my major, and a little bit about the social issue of affordable healthcare in America. So, before I go, I want to leave you guys with one last thing. Be kind, because it may just be the difference. Thank you.